October arrives the way a shadow crosses a room. Quiet first, then everywhere. On Wall Street, leaves scrape along the cobblestones like old ticker tape refusing to die. Screens glow in the dark, the numbers breathe. And somewhere between the opening bell and the evening news, the market remembers. They'll tell you the market is rational, that risk can be measured, packaged, sold, that fear is just a line on a chart. But every autumn you can feel it, a draft through the boardroom, a chill in the server room, the kind of silence that makes men check screens twice. It isn't a statistic, it's a presence. In the morning, the city pretends everything is fine. The ritual repeats: coffee, news, futures. Analysts speak with calm precision, smoothing edges off of danger with the language of models and means, but under their words, October hums, like an old power line no one sees anymore, still feeding something buried in the walls. Traders say it's superstition. Managers call it seasonality. A few laugh and talk of the October effect like it's a ghost story told to interns after hours. Yet desks move closer to the exits. Stop losses tighten. Voices drop when they say the month out loud. October. The ordinary world of finance is a cathedral of control, schedules, earnings, guidance, a metronome of belief striking the same note day after day. But cathedrals have crypts, and if you walk far enough down the stairwell, past the confidence and the forecasts, you will find a room with no windows and a ledger older than the street itself. In that ledger, October has its own column. Look closely at the opening frames of any crisis, and you'll see the same faces. The skeptic who swears the models hold, the optimist who calls the dip healthy, the veteran who doesn't speak. He watches. He remembers. He remembers that markets are not numbers. They are crowds, and crowds have seasons, tempers, and omens. So we begin before the screaming headlines, before the panic, before the sprint to cash, the week when nothing appears wrong, when the VIX is quiet and the air is not. You can hear the hum if you listen. A narrow gap in liquidity, a careless bet in a crowded trade, a rumor that won't sit still. Little things, threads, pull one, and the fabric remembers how to tear. In this calm, belief is the currency. Belief in models, belief in leaders, belief that the past is domesticated and the future is insured. But belief has a cost, and in October the bill is often due. You will meet voices in this story. Bankers who prayed with spreadsheets, engineers who tuned algorithms like organs in a choir, men who watched entire kingdoms of numbers evaporate between a breath and a bell.